Hey guys, today we're going to talk about networking. The term networking means to connect. So whether you're talking about a computer network or networking between people, a connection is very important. There's a saying that it's not what you know, but it's who you know, and I always try to teach all of my students to remember this saying because, one, it's very important to educate yourself or what you know. But it's also important to connect with those around you at all times, or who you know. I didn't learn this until I was in college, so I want you to learn that now in high school, because the more people you get to know now, the more connections you'll have when you graduate and you get ready to look for the job, career, or opportunity that's perfect for you. So in class this year, you'll have to learn the names of all of your peers. And I joke and say that that doesn't mean that you have to hang out with them on the weekends or have one big spend the night party. But you need to give the respect to each of your peers to at least learn their names and maybe a little bit of something about them for the school year. So again, remember, it's not what you know, it's who you know. And this is a part of our employability skills standards for CTAE. Thank you. Bye.